Hey guys, Tommy Myers at MarineMax Sailandski in Austin, Texas. And today I've got something special for all you adrenaline junkies out there. We are looking at a 2020 Kawasaki Ultra LX 310. This thing is 310 horsepower, supercharged power. I mean, when you get on this thing and you give it gas, it just throws you back. Adrenaline, thrust and power. This is the most fastest vehicle we have in the Kawasaki lineup. And if you like adrenaline, this is the product for you. It's got some really cool features on it. It's got a stereo system jet sound in it. You can have a control here on your handlebars. You also have tilt and trim and cruise all on this boat. Really nice for getting on and off, easy swim platform here. So you can step up really easy onto it. And then when you're hopping up on it and you're ready to punch it, you've got a nice little contoured seat here that holds you in place. So when it throws you back, you're not going to be sliding off the ski. Hang on, because this thing's got a lot of power. We have them ready. You can pick them up or we can deliver. MarineMax Sailandski, Austin, Texas. I'm Tommy Myers. God bless. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, feel free to call me or ask for any of our sales staff or visit us at any of our locations, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.